Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Adding and subtracting rational expressions. Let's start with something we're familiar with. Adding and subtracting just two fractions with common denominators already. 5/8 minus 3/8. We subtract across the top to get 2/8, and then simplify down to 1/4. This same strategy can be applied to more complicated situations. 3x plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 4x minus 5 over x minus 2. We still have common denominators, so we can just add across the top and we'll just combine our like terms to end up with 7x minus 4 over x minus 2. Maybe a little bit trickier if we wanted to subtract these two fractions. Notice they still have a common denominator, but we want to make sure when we're subtracting, we subtract all the parts in the numerator. So we need to make sure we distribute this negative. So we'll have 4x minus 5 minus 3x plus 1. Again, combining like terms, we'll end up with x minus 4 over x minus 4, and in this case we can reduce, and that actually simplifies all the way down to 1. Now it's not always going to be the case that we can simplify when we get to the end, but we always want to be on the lookout for common factors, and simplifying we could do.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.